Yeah, everybody, back down here at the farm. Just going to give a quick update on what's going on with the ute. So I've got the fuel pump back during the week. Yeah, it's been fully rebuilt. It's basically brand new fuel pump internally and some parts externally. Got this boost compensator put on, which was missing on the fuel pump to start with, which is to allow for having a turbo. Now, when the fuel pump not having one of those was also probably a contributing factor to why the engine ended up the way it is with the cracked pistons and all the issues with the head. So what people do to get around not having one of these is they screw the fuel pressure up all the way on the pump, and so basically you'll have full fuel pressure even when you're sitting there at idle, which isn't ideal for the engine or the pump. It means it's working too hard. So this boost compensator will basically knock the fuel pressure up when is required by the engine when the boost kicks in. You'd run a vacuum line I'm going to run it to the intercooler because there's a tapped thread there already for a fitting to be put. That'll kick in when the boost gets up high. That'll give you more fuel pressure. So the engine is still in town. It's getting worked on at the moment. Hopefully should be ready midway through next week, and I'll have the engine ready to start putting it back together, and I'll be able to chuck it back in the ute by next weekend hopefully, and see how things go. So yeah, that's that. So probably going to do a little bit of slashing today on one of the little tractors up on the driveway and just around a couple of fences. So I'll see how we go with that. Alright, so first things first, I'm going to pull the front end loader off the tractor there. Don't really need it on, just extra weight, makes it a bit harder to steer. And then I'm going to hook up to the slasher over here. Hook that up. I'll check the oil in the gearbox there. If I can find a grease gun, I'll give the shaft there a quick grease up before we get going. And then should be ready to go cut some grass and tidy up the driveway and just out the front of the farm. So yeah, I'll quickly get into that. So I got the slasher hooked up, got it all greased, and chuck some oil in the gearbox. So we'll fire it up and we'll get going on this road and hopefully pump that out and we'll be done. So I'll fire up now. got all the slashing done. It's looking a bit better. Well, a lot better actually. So, yeah, not too bad, got all that done. Unfortunately, our council doesn't slash the grass along our road. So that's why we've got to do it, which is a pain in the ass, but no. So yeah, thanks for watching everybody. I'll see you in the next one.